Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. The Montauk has been a famous boat in the Boston Whaler lineup. This is a beautiful example of one right here. So this one's going to be equipped with black rubber oil. We've got the teak steps on the side of the boat. We also have the teak platforms on the rear. We've got black graphics on here to go along with this one. We've got a single axle galvanized trailer with it. So you're gonna have a nice setup for towing this down the road. As we come around the back here, you can see we also have the seats set up in the aft of the boat here. So both sides we're gonna have nice comfortable seating, as well as your main seat for your helm seat. This one's also gonna be equipped with a pedestal seat up in the front that I'll show you in just a second here. Here's that rear swim platform teaked out for this boat. We're gonna be set up with a 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine on here. So this is a really, really nice setup. Let's take it and hop inside this one and take a look at the inside. All right, so now as we move into the bow of the boat here on the inside, you're gonna have your trolling motor panel all wired up and set up in the front of this one. We'll also have nice amounts of storage in here for your anchor. You do have the swivel pedestal seat up in the front as well. And a nice big fish box with drain. So it's a really nice setup in the front of this Montauk. Coming around to the helm here, we're gonna have your cooler as well as seat, and then you're gonna have your rod mounts already on the dash here. So you've got plenty of storage. Everything's gonna be nicely laid out, giving you accessibility around it. You're gonna have the low rails throughout it. We've got cup holders down on each side. Underneath the helm, tons of storage, battery switch, dual battery setup. And moving on to the helm, nice open layout. This one does not come pre-wired with any graphs on it, but it does have the availability. You can always come up with whatever you'd like to put on, and we can always install that here at MarineMax. This is a beautiful setup for a boat. The brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Schedule an appointment to come in and see this boat. Thank you.